Namaste. I looked at my past and my spiritual journey very carefully, and I noticed one thing. Everything that the mind wanted, everything that Apple wanted, did not happen. Nothing happened. See, Apple wanted to get married, wanted to have children, wanted to have a successful business, wanted to buy a house, live comfortably, financially stable, secure. None of these things happened. Absolutely none of it. What happened to Ekomananda? This is my Sanskrit name given by my master, my teacher Sunyata. It's something nature, something just happened. You can't really explain or pinpoint. Apple wanted to be a spiritual teacher, to be a yogi, to be a spiritual hypnotherapist, to be known by the public. Something just happened, or we say it, something just occurred to this body. So Ekomananda was not desired nor made. Ekomananda is just here, arrived to this body. What does this mean to you as you're watching and listening to my voice? We need to let that inner voice stand out. Allow the inner voice to speak and listen to that inner voice. And that would be your nature. When the mind wants this, wants that, like an oscillate, shifting left and right, always busy, we need to find a way, method to silence that busy mind so the inner self can speak, which will then promote the authentic you. Because whatever the mind wanted did not occur, did not happen. So we must wonder what is going on in life. And I encourage you to really ask this question: what is going on in life? And look carefully. Did what you want happened? Mostly you will answer no. What you want did not happen. Very rarely, few of us asks for something physically desirable occurred, but most of us have unfulfilled desires. Now go inside, ask the inner voice why this is the case. Let your inner voice shine through. Listen to it. Learn to listen to your inner voice. And then you will notice your life is going to be different.